hard work has no substitute. I scored 99.4% marks in CBSE class 10th boards, and my state rank was 6th in Uttarakhand state, and the district rank was 3rd in the district Udham Singh Nagar. To score such good marks, practice is more important. The more you practice, the better you become. So in a span of 3 months, I solved around 65 sample papers, and once the task was completed, I got them checked by my teachers who guided me where I was going wrong. It is very important to take out time from studying in order to relax you. Whenever I am stressed, I doodle, I make sketches, and that gives me a feeling of comfort. Some subjects are there which need visualizations, and Byju's comes into play here. Suppose a question comes in your examination, tell about photosynthesis. You cannot just remember what was written in 2 to 3 paragraphs of your books, but studying from Byju's, I just closed my eyes and recalled what I saw, and CO2 molecule going inside the stomata and the process of photosynthesis going on. So I could easily write the answer. So Byju's is based upon conceptual learning. Until and unless my concepts are not clear, I cannot move to the next video. That is the best feature present on the Byju's learning app.
बायजूस मुझे इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि उसमें जो वीडियोस होते हैं वो प्रैक्टिकली बच्चे उससे सीखते हैं। उसमें जैसे लर्न करने का कुछ नहीं है, बच्चों के समझने की चीज़ है। बायजूस करने के बाद इनके अंदर ये फ़र्क आया, एक तो कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हुआ है और चीज़ों को अब ये समझ कर पढ़ते हैं। जैसे ये नहीं है कि रटने का, बिल्कुल आपने रट लिया और फिर नेक्स्ट है आप भूल गए। अब ये जो भी पढ़ते हैं, जो भी देखते हैं वीडियोज़ में, तो उसको ये अपने पूरे दिमाग में उतार लेते हैं। तो ये मुझे बायजूस का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट लगा।
Byju's is a great platform for learning, and I have seen the change in myself. I have transformed from an average student to a topper. Earlier I used to score 77% marks, but slowly and gradually after I started using Byju's app, saw the visualizations present over the app, I developed interest in the subject, and that is the important thing. Once you have an interest in the subject, you can easily score in that. So I give the credit to Byju's for developing my interest in the subjects.